Hey, it's Dano. We're over here at Mike Thompson RV, Fountain Valley, looking at some of the sprinters and just the general inventory that they got. I was going to have a Dano van. I'd rather have something like this instead of a regular looking RV type, because I'm not an RVer. Just want to tour and park where I want to when I'm on the road, and one of these right here affords that luxury of doing that. This is a Road Tech version, GS Eventers. So this one I particularly wouldn't care for because it has a seat here that I don't need it. I need just 2 seats up front. But let's take a look in here anyway. Pretty dialed in. So you got your refrigerator and freezer, microwave. Seats kind of turn around. You got the sink. You got the burners. You got it's hard to see in this. You got a shower and a toilet. Sink. And you have this area folds down. That would be where you'd sleep, I guess. I don't see any workstation area. But there's your big screen or small screen TV. So these are sprinters, dual wheels. This one a little different. Laid out basically the same, I guess, yeah. This is a Sprinter Era. Must be a different manufacturer. This one has 4 seats, which I don't need these extra seats. That could be the workstation area, but it's pretty wide open. The only thing, I think that the shower over here should be on this side, so when you pull up alongside the road, you can look out the window and see atmosphere instead of looking at a road. But $78 grand of the big ones, less than these sprinters, but again, I don't want something that big. Here's one's pretty cool. This is kind of like a little fold down, not big enough to be a bed. That's pretty cool. The TV screen right up here, so when you're sitting down or front, you can watch the TV. You got 2 burners, got a stove, cool back area, bed. There's something in the trunk you can fill in this little gap for makeup. But this is cool how these come up and go down. The shades. Some TV back here. Got a tall closet. You got plenty of storage area. All this is storage. A lot of storage. This here is the shower. There's a sink. There's your toilet. There's your shower head. Stand right there. It's kind of a little confining. Got a mirror in there. And what else? Again, I would need a workstation here. That's pretty cool. I like this layout. Got plenty of glass. This Ford's not too bad actually. Say except this front seats don't move. It's 89 grand, it's cheaper. And you got this, and the Dodge is pretty good. Actually, I don't really care for the Dodge, but they're priced a lot less than a regular Sprinter. And this one here, I kind of like this layout. Well, there's one thing I don't like about it, but I like this. It has the workstation right there. You can sit there at a desk, sit comfortably. Only one seat's going to turn around, which is all right. But I'd have to, this bed, I'd have to jump up into it. And it's kind of narrow through here. And that would be the toilet. So, anyway, get more and more confused. Definitely have a lot of inventory down here. So there's Pete. That's about it. I'm going to grab a burger, I think. There you are. These are the Sprinters. We'll look at other areas, but for now, these are the type of vans I would rather have. You can see 74.9 is not a bad deal compared to almost twice that price or more for a Mercedes Sprinter. Dano reporting live here in Fountain Valley, Mike Thompson's RV. Hey, we're still down here at Mike Thompson's RV. You're on Dano Vision, Dano Live. And I just looked at all the Sprinters. They got all types of RVs. As you see, this is just one side of the 405 freeway. Across the freeway, there's another side. And they got these things all over the place. Any types of ones you want. All different kinds of prices. I am partial to the Sprinter vans. I don't want an RV. Looking and just dreaming, you know, keep the dream alive. One day I'll become a rock star and get one of these big ones. Well, that seems to be a bargain of a price. Don't know how old it is. That's something like Ralph's got right there. Check out one of these. Wow. Look how big this is. Guess you had the sides pop out. It's got a lot of room. Can't park it in my condo though. I've got a full size, almost a full size bath. Huge king bed back here. Closet. Stove, sink. Microwave, cabinets. Pretty cool. Smelling brand spanking new. It smells like a home in here. Full-size shower with a skylight. King bed. Mirrors. Nothing on the ceiling but a fan. Wow, look at that big refrigerator. Maytag. Big screen TV right up front here. Now, double wide refrigerator. Big screen TV. This big fireplace. Sink, toilet. Shower. King size bed. Room with a view. Very nice. There you have it. So what's happening over here at Mike Thompson RV, Fountain Valley. I'm Dano. Dano live on Dano Vision.